Your daughter say you are from Ghana.
That Togolese.
And you are saying you are Togo. Does it mean your daughter does not know where you come from?
No, I know.
No, give her microphone.
Okay.
Sister, you say your father is from Ghana.
Yes, sir.
Now he's saying you are from. Don't lie to me.
Yes, sir. Daddy is from Ghana. Is from Togo. But me, I used to say it's from Ghana. Daddy, I'm not lying, Daddy.
He said he's from where?
He told me because I've not. When I was small, that is when I went to.
He says your father is from where?
Daddy, when I was small, that is when I went to my daddy's place. My daddy is from Ghana and Togo. That is what he told me. I've not been there. That.
Hi guys, it's Block TV. How on a day, guys?
Children.
Please, I would like you to watch this video.
Okay.
I say okay. There's no problem. Why he not inform me this thing in time that me you know? He lied to me. He told me that the mother told her not to tell me in time so that I will not leave her. I say okay. If in that case.
That time she told you she have 3 children. Have you paid her bride price?
No, sir.
So she still tell you on time now. Continue. So, it will be wrong if she has married you. So far she still inform you when you have not paid. Where do you come from, your wife, and what is the case?
My name is Chibuzo Ekoma. I'm from Abia State. So I'm here to report a case for the mistake I did for the past year. I met this my wife on 2019, and when I met her, I approached to her because she was this sales girl close to opposite my shop. So when I approached to her, she accepted me. So the lady she was this sales girl with, the woman told me that whether I can carry her load. I don't know the meaning of the word the woman used. I said, okay, there's no problem. As far as I can take care of her and there's money in my hand. So we are start friending, we are start dating. And she have never told me that she have a child with another man. So she was coming to my house from their place. They are living at Abulegba. She was coming to my place to Ikoyi. Day and day, sometimes 1 week she'll come, sometimes she go back to the shop. So to the extent she start staying with me that year.
She started staying with you?
She started staying with me.
When you have not married her?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
So I said, okay, they have a problem in their house at Abulegba. He told me that somebody is disturbing their mom and their brother. I don't know that the boy is in first son. So I went there, arrest the guy. Later, everything is settled. And she never tell me.
Wait. I want to be understanding you. Somebody told you that his brother is doing what?
She told me that they are having problem where their mother was living.
Where the mother was living?
At Abulegba.
So you went there and arrested the
boy.
Uh-huh.
So after everything, we settled the case.
And the person arrested happens to be the brother?
The person that they are disturbing is supposed to happen to be the first son.
Okay.
So, and she did not let me know that he's her son. He told me that he's the brother. So I said, okay, there's no problem. Later, maybe I hear that she now told me that there's something that she wants to tell me, discuss with me. I said, okay, there's no problem. So I said, okay. In that case, there's no problem. And in the house they are living, is the husband that he give her the 3 children. Because of the guy used to travel and the guy used to stay 1 month, 3 months. So I said, okay, there's no problem. And those children was homeless, they are not going to school. I said, okay, bring them, let us stay together. Later we'll go and see her parent. I asked her, where is her father? He told me that the father left the mother. They are not together again. It was insulting the father is a stupid man, is this and that, by leaving them because they are 2 girls. I said, okay, that one is not anything. As far as I love you, let us see how it to be. Let me help you. I carry the children. As the children come to my house, I put them for school. 3 of them. They are my house going to school. I say, okay, as it is now, let me go and see our parents, where they are living. I went to see the mother. So I asked the mother, what happened to the man? The mother was giving me excuse, I don't understand. I said, okay, if in that case, there's no problem. As far as he said that the man I have not married you, I will take care of the children. So the mother said, okay, there's no problem. I went to rent apartment for the mother. They left the house because the man is not coming to the house again. They leave the man's house. I went to rent apartment where their mama is staying. So I was taking care of the children. From there, the sister called her that she want to come and visit us.
You're straight to the point. I said,
okay.
The
from there, my business starts going down. So people that are staying in my house is my senior brother Cook that is living in Banana Island. So they went to tell my brother that I go carry children that is not yours and start training. So my brother said in that case that anything that concerns me, he don't want to talk about it again. He banned me not to come to his house in Banana because I was living with him in Banana that day. So he banned me, he disgraced me, he locked me in Banana Gate with the security people. Because of her, I said, okay, I will never give up. There's no problem. My family banned me, everybody don't want to do anything with me because of I'm taking care of another person's children. And they have not given birth to me. As we are going, from there, my business started going down to the extent I didn't see money to do any business again because of I've been paying 3 children's school fees. And my mother is in the village. Since that time I staying, I never send my mother even 1 naira. I forget anything about my family. I was taking care of her and the family and those children.
Order!
And those children. So when the sister entered the house, me and her started getting problem. If your sister want to mop my house, her sister will tell me to remove my slippers outside in my house that I brought you. So when I talk, the sister will challenge me, start talking to me. So me and her start having issue. And since that year, even though that maybe any of the child do anything to caution the person, to a child, she start got angry. She start behaving, start talking to me anyhow, insulting me. So I said that I don't know why this thing is coming like this. Because of the love I have for her, we are still continuing. But in every time, me and her will not get issue. Since that time, me and her start having problem. Before my business go down, I sold everything in my shop, both the manicure I'm using. I'm not doing anything again. Now, we start a business, food, because she used to sell food. I joined her with one woman that helped us, so we collaborate together. I joined her with the same food. So those people and the sales girl, there are 3 sales girls. All of them are living in my house with the sister, with the 3 children. I'm the one that feeding all of them. So, before you know it...
Round up. Order.
Before you know it, I don't know that in the house we are staying, that they have already sold the house. So what I now see that the next day, we see people, they can't give us a quick notice of 1 month, and I don't have money, there's no money with me. I said that there's no problem. I told her that I have seen that because of you and the children, now I cannot go back to my family, and my family have disowned me. They are rejecting me. Now I stand on my own. I say that I will never give up. I start hustling. Now they come and give us quick notice for the house. So my things, I don't know where to keep my things.
So what did you come here to report?
I come here to report that I don't want to be taking care of those children again, and I don't want to marry her because since me and her stay, he normally calls me and swear for me upon everything I have done for her, and since I've been doing that in the family, I have never supported me for once that I'm taking care of 2 children. Now, the first son now, the school that the 3 children is going, I was not able to pay school fees again. So,
okay. Are you through? Let the girl talk.
I'm not through, sir.
You have 1 minute. Round up, 1 minute.
Okay, sir. So I have to carry my things and put for the owner of the children's school so that we can be sleeping there. So one woman that is a Yoruba woman, the woman now help us and carry the 3 children, made them sleep for their house. So that me and her will be sleeping for the backyard of the school. From that place, me and her be having problem. If I talk to her, she will challenge me. She will carry knife to want to kill me for the place. So people have been complaining every time me and her will get problem. Every time me and her will get problem. So the woman told us to leave her place. That he cannot continue with this. Why I'm owing the woman about 150 something thousand. The woman now sees my property, my things that I have not paid. He sees my things. I left the house. So we went to another place to go and stay. As we went to another place to go and stay, she and the man's wife start getting problem. Kitchen. From there, the boy give us time to leave in house. I carry her go to my brother's house in Sulere. From there, my brother asked me and my sister, are you sure that you are the owner of these children? That time she got pregnant. That was on 2021. And the lady now introduced us to Zion. The lady is here. Introduced us to Zion. So as I was listening to the preaching, I now realized that it's not good a man to carry a woman key for house where you have not paid a bride price. I went to the family to go and pay the bride price because the father is not living with the mother. The father is living in Port Harcourt because they are not together. They separated. So I went to see the uncle. The uncle told me that I should calm down, that it's not something that I will rush. So I keep quiet. The uncle now told me that what I'm doing, that no man can ever do it, because for me to taking care of 2 children, that is not an easy thing. I said, okay, there is no problem. I told her that I want to see your father. So I called the father. The father came to my place. After that, I gather money. I start driving work, because the driving is my hobby. I start driving work, start gathering money. Before I get money to find a house, I told her to go and look for a house at Ekoto. We got a house at Ekoto. I paid. The place we paid was no good. I collect the money that we stay for 1 month. I went to go and pay another place. I told her, as it is be like this now. This now is very hard. I don't think I can continue on with this. I want you to go and stay with your mother. Why? My family have already told her, Blessing, go to your mother and stay. If I have anything, I will come and see your family. Make I gather myself. She refused. She said that I want to pursue her after she have get back to me. I said, okay, there's no problem.
Okay, round up.
So I said, okay, there's no problem. I'm not chasing you away. So in father came on 2022 when they will get back to the child. I give her money to register traffic hospital, but he's not there. She get back to because of the thing. He have typhoid. That was the typhoid was 180. So we go near a hospital, treat her before we get back to the child. The day they gave birth to the child, the next day the papa went back to Port Harcourt. That's the day I saw the father, and I told the father, he have to reconcile with your wife. And because of me, the father have to, from there, the father have to send the mother money for the first time. So we start going.
Nah, so where is 2 of you now? Where is 2 of you right now?
We are living together now. We are taking auto.
Give your wife, the woman, your girlfriend, the phone. Let her talk.
My name is Blessing.
Louder your voice.
My name is Blessing Ekoma.
You are from where?
My mom is from Imo State. My dad is from Ghana.
Your father is from where?
From Ghana.
Ghana.
Yes, my mom is from Imo State. Number one, I was once married.
Louder voice.
I was once married, but the guy did not pay my dowry. I was 12 years old when I followed a man.
If you don't louder your voice, I'll take you.
I was 12 years old when I followed a man. So the man deceived me. After giving birth for him, I have to start looking for my family. When I was looking for my family, my mommy and my dad was no longer together. So when I later find my mom in Edo State. So when I find my mom in Edo State, I went and plead for her that please she should forgive me, that I've made wrong, that I want to reamend my ways. So my mommy said, okay, I should bring the children. Then my last born was 1 year.
The man that pregnanted is from where?
It's from Abia State. So my last born was 1 year. Sean, my second child, Ada, was 5 years. Then Obina, my first son, was 6 years. So I was working. When I was working, that is when I met my husband, Chibuzo. When I met him, I told him that, Chibuzo, I have 3 children. That for now, I don't need any man in my life. That I've once made a mistake, I don't want to make another one. So he said, no problem, that he's going to take care of the children. That's okay, let me take him to where my mother is staying. I took him there. When I took him there, he saw my uncle. Then he had not seen my daddy. My uncle told him that she have explained herself to you. She told you that she was once married. She was deceived by a man. Now she don't want to make another mistake. My husband said that no problem, that he's ready to marry me and the children. That he loves me so much that since I opened up to him, that he's ready to take care of the children. Then he said, okay, let us move down to him in Ikoyi where he was staying. So I moved down with him with the children. We were staying together happily. Then he said, okay, that now he wants to change the children's name to his name. The children was answering his name. We were living happily. I was working then, him was doing business. When he was doing the business, his cousin gave him, his cousin brother gave him money to do business. So when they gave him the money, the business collapsed. So when the business collapsed, we were struggling. I was selling food. Where I was selling food at Ikoyi. Where I was selling food at Ikoyi, he used to follow me to go and sell. When we sell, we'll come back. So then we were living in the house. When we were living there, we don't know that they already bought the house. So
what is the problem between two of you? This one is long story now. You are repeating what he said. What is the problem?
The problem between two of us now is saying that I don't used to give him, that I don't used to respect him. That we have stayed for 6 years now. The children, they are here. That I don't used to respect him. That I should carry the children and go. I told him, is it now that I've given birth for you that you want me to go? You say you want to go and pay my dowry. So is it now you want me to go? I plead. This matter has been for 2 weeks now. I've been pleading that please, if you say I'm not giving you respect, I'm ready to amend. I cannot go with these children. Where do you want me to go from here? My father came. My father was pleading that if you say my daughter is not giving me a respect, that he's ready to amend my way. I'm ready to amend my ways.
So where is two of you staying now?
We are living at Iko 2 years.
You said your other 3 children are here?
Yes, they are here.
This one is the one you born for him?
Yes, sir.
Let me see the one you born for him. Bring him out.
Okay, sir.
The one you born for him. Keziah. Let me see the face. Yeah. It's obvious that he looks like him small. So where is the one you born for the other man? Sit down. Where them? Call them. The one you born for Ghana.
Obina, Ada, you people should come.
No. Let them be here. Let the children come. They don't need to go off. Let him connect to them. Where are those children? Call their name again.
They are coming down.
Shout it again.
Ada.
Call their 3 name again.
They are here, sir.
Go behind your mother and your stepfather. Oh, quadili buone to ni no ni se ni si ni sa ni sato ni terani ni.
Daddy.
Oh, wait.
I have not finished, sir.
Wait, you have not finished. Oh, the sister, give her microphone. Give your girlfriend the microphone. He said your father is here.
Yes, sir.
Your father is from Ghana.
Yes, sir.
But your mother is from Imo State.
Imo State, Kedu local government.
Okay, where is the father of the girl? Come. Bring one chair. Sit down. This is your
Father.
Your father.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Kwade Saturn, sir. Okay. So, what do you want now?
Daddy, I came here to plead that if he said I'm not giving him respect, I promise to change. Because he cannot leave me now that I've given birth for him. After
you can't leave him now, you have given birth for him.
Yes, sir.
What of the one that gave birth for 3 children?
Yes, sir. Didn't
that one leave you?
Yes, he's married now with a boy and a girl.
But, wait, I give you give each other.
As I'm talking to you now, the work I was doing at Lekki, she the one that made them to sack me. The work I was doing in Lekki. The recent one I'm doing also, she the one that made them to sack me also. At Ikoyi, she will be calling people that I'm working for because I'm open to her. Sometimes I used to tell my boss, send my salary to her account.
Are you serious?
Send my salary to her account. Because I'll be taking care of 2 children because of the children. Send the money to her account. Still, she doesn't respect me. Even though this place we are staying, my neighbors were, everybody can testify. Me, I had a quarrel since I know her. Me, I had a quarrel, and anytime me, I had a quarrel, I used to call the uncle, I used to complain to the father. I used to call to the father. He will bear me witness.
Oh, how do she make them to sack you from where you are working?
Why he made them to sack me? That
she always
the place where I'm working, because every month I will not ask my boss money, and she will be frustrating me on phone.
Okay, now I have heard you. She'll be frustrating you. She's not giving you peace of mind.
She's not giving me peace of mind, and she laid curse on my head that he can never be well with me, and no woman will stay with me, and
don't lie to me, sister.
And nobody will stay with me, and I can never marry any other person. He swear for me, he curse for me, he insult me, he say many things to me. Now I complain to my family. My family say that he never, somebody that have never married you, and you are doing all those things to me. Me, I had a quarrel day and night. Everybody, both pastor wife, they have come and said to this matter, he plead. The same thing, everybody have come in begging me. If you do it 1 week, it should start again.
Okay, now, sister, put microphone in your mouth. Yes, nobody lied to me.
Yes, sir.
Did you curse him that he shall not be well with you?
I will tell you. I didn't tell him that.
Answer my question.
No, I didn't tell him that he's not going to be well with him. Let me tell you why. Daddy, hold on. Let me talk. Daddy, why this issue?
Did you say he shall not be well with him?
Daddy, let me talk. I saw a text in his phone when he was chatting with another woman that is promising the woman marriage. Then that is when this quarrel starts. Then
what did you say to him?
I told him I told him, since you are saying that you want to marry another woman, I called the lady. I told the lady that because I collected the number in his phone. I told the lady that nobody will take Chibuzo away from me because you don't know when we started. That you cannot take away.
Okay, I've heard you. Give your father microphone.
Hello.
You say you're from Ghana.
Yes.
This is your daughter's boyfriend.
I'm Togolese.
I'm
Togolese.
Congolese. I thought your daughter said you're from Ghana.
No, that's Togolese.
Wait. Put mic in your mouth. Your daughter said that you are from Ghana. Now you are saying you are Congo.
No, I'm Togolese.
Togolese.
I'm Togolese. Now,
so why did you lie to me?
No, listen very well. The first one he married. And they annoyed. They annoyed because his mother. Listen very well.
Before you talk, I want to hear.
Yes, because the very listen very well. They didn't carry go home. Huh? They didn't carry go home. It is small.
Where do you,
It is
even
small.
if when you carry him go home, it is small.
Yeah, it
no
is
him
small.
go make say he don't know where him papa from.
It is small. But mama.
He on the convention
Listen very well. Imama. Is that Imama? Imama no. That first picky.
Okay. Let's stop where you come from.
Okay.
What is problem? The boy says he has been reporting the attitude of your daughter.
Now the people I come for, they are the pillow tree. They this my daughter. He say what kind of matter come?
Put mic on your mouth.
He say what kind of matter come me to you? I said no problem. Say I go be here because what I talk me fana. Is it so? Because the boy say he tired for him. Now that's the first one he see her. He say he love her. He say laka. He say laka. Now the African tell you say he get 3 there. He say go take over for them. He say I set. He say yes. He say I set it. He really not tell you later. Now I go to talk say you know man again. That one they fair. It's not possible like that because he has set it. He start. So you have set it. He start. He start so. I asked his mother told me. I told your mother say. This is my particular.
Order.
He never pay daddy. Because I dey pitch the guy. I know see that I know the answer daddy say make a pay. I know the answer.
Okay, now what do you want?
Now what I want now? What I want to make do to me now? Huh? Settle the matter, help them.
On what ground?
The boy say no one marry again.
The boy say no one marry again.
Yes, I settle there.
Settle it in what way? How do you want me to settle it?
Settle to be say, you ask the two of you. Say this one go marry, this one go marry. This one go marry her, I will not go marry her.
So you want me to force them to marry?
No, I don't be forced. Let me force. No be force matter. Because already I set it. 6 years now, 6 years.
Okay, bring microphone. We have other 3 Holy Ghost courts today.
Yeah.
How many years have 2 of you been together?
That's 6 years now.
Okay. These children, do you know him? Who is him to you?
My father. My father.
Put mark your mouth.
My father.
He's the one paying you people's school fees. Huh? Now, are you hearing my own opinion? The other day, when a man from Senegal and the one from Imo said, they say I sided the lady because she's Igbo. I don't know why people think I am like that. Huh? You want to say something? 1 second, don't say anything again. I'm passing the...
Daddy, please, I want to plead I want to...
Sit down there.
Plead. If he said I'm not giving him respect, I promise from today I will give him respect. And he should give me the second chance.
He should give you the second chance. Praise God. Order. Everybody in life deserves second chance. But we must put the facts straight. Are you listening to me now? This man from Abia State, where in Abia?
Ben.
Ibere. That came to you. And this man was doing well. He know you have 3 children. He let her know. He brought them home. He started taking care of them. At the process of taking care of them, he not pregnant you his own. Such a man, I think he has done well in that aspect. First of all, him bringing you home for the first time is wrong because 2 of you did not marry. You cannot be in the house with a man who does not pay your bride price. That means you lack home training.
I accept my mistake.
Talk less of that the first man who pregnant you did not marry you. You still enter into another man's house without him doing the right thing. That is something our people used to say in Igbo. No fosisiana agum madanya uborabo. Do you understand what I mean? Let me say that thing that many people to say, I used to be pacha. I don't used to be pacha, but I like to keep it real. First of all, you made a mistake by allowing a man you don't know. You have the first child, second child, third child, without your bride price being paid. Let's say God have rescued you from the hand of that one. You should have been careful with every man. No matter how a man tell you, I love you, you wouldn't have listened until he do the right thing. Now, you still play foolishly and allow yourself to go to his house. That is a sin of his own. Secondly, he stay with you, taking care of your 3 daughters. That proves that he truly loves you. There is no way to the true definition of love without saying that I don't think I can carry 3 children that are with their mother. First of all, I don't think I can marry somebody that have 3 children for another man. Me, for Ebuka will be a man of God. Except God who said, Ebuka, do this. Even when God said, Ebuka, do this, I will say, God, I will never disobey you. But I'm coming. As a man of God, I won't like to marry somebody that have 3 children for another man. I can help her, help the children, but not to marry her. But this guy was ready to marry you.
This boy now is going to Caleb International British School.
Wait. Now, praise God. Now, this guy accepted your kids. Some men want to marry the mother, but they want to distance the children. I've seen some men that married women that have children. They always distance the children. But for this guy to bring you in, taking care of your children with everything he have until everything vanish. He chose, he truly love you. Such a man, you're supposed to pet him. This guy is a new chassis. He has no wife. He has no child. Do you have a child elsewhere? Okay, you don't have a child anywhere. Now he has no child. And you have 3. He still married you. He is a new chassis. You are, when you come to motor, you are like a second hand. Now, if God will give you a man like this, you are not a second hand. But I'm talking about like a motor where they don't drive. 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers. If you are like a motor, they have driven you like 300 kilometers. First 100 kilometers produce a son. Second 100 kilometers produce another one. Third one. But this one never have a child. If God has given you a man like this, who welcome you in his home, who love you, who is ready to take care of children, you're supposed to pet him. You're supposed to cherish him. You're supposed to amplify him. You're supposed to tantalize him. You're supposed to, because it's out of love that make him to be doing this. This guy have a hobby. If he's the type that beats a woman, one blow he may not survive it. But and because of you, his families are no longer with him. He has lost his business. So I don't see the reason why you should do, even if you see him chatting with a woman, that is not the reason why you should be that is how to approach it. So two of you are wrong. He is wrong by bringing you in his house. He acted foolishly. He didn't act like onye Igbo juru mere arafo. Ana ebu ụzọ zọtacha ala before azọbụ ute. Okoro eru wara ọgọdọ. Ikuku burie oburu ọgọdọ. And that mistake may be what cost him his business now. So, what you want is reconciliation. Now, and your father wants reconciliation. So, children, what do you want? Is that you want to say something? When did she say she want to say something? A girl, come. What do you want to say? Come and tell. What do you want to say?
I want my mommy and my daddy to come back together.
Nobody hear you.
I want my mommy and daddy to come back together.
Ungwano, to come back together. Jenna, go to back and stay where you stay. Do you know what I see here? I've never seen this kind of love before. That is why I said I don't want to love until God will show me whom I will marry. I can like, but I don't want to love because love is blind. I don't want to follow blind way. I can like before marriage, but I don't want to love before marriage. Love will not allow you to see what you're supposed to see. Love will not allow you to check what you're supposed to check. Now, okay, what do you want? Straight to the point, what do you want?
Daddy, I don't want again. My family, my mother told me that I should not marry her. I should go and do, I should go.
There was no...
Daddy, she's forcing me to marry her. She's forcing me to marry her. She said I must marry her. That is, she can never go anywhere, that I'm the one who marry her. So I cannot marry a woman that don't have respect for me. It costs me, it swear for me, we'll fight every day.
The first time you told her, the first time you met her, and she told you she have 3 children, did you promise to marry her? Be honest to me.
I told her that me and you will marry. If that I see your character. But luckily, he start behaving, bring the character, I start changing my mind from there.
Daddy, we have stayed for 6 years now. No, we have stayed for 6 years.
How many years do you stay with the other father of the 3 children?
I gave these children to 2 gap. I didn't stop to 2 years with him.
What do you mean by didn't stay up to 2 years?
Yeah, I didn't stop to. I gave him
for 3 children.
I gave them to 2. I gave them to
Even
2
if
years.
you give them to 2 years, it's almost 9 years now or 6 years.
Yes.
So you have stayed more than I'm not.
Daddy, I'm begging that please. That he said that I'm not giving respect.
So
I promise I will give him. I cannot leave. I cannot make.
You can't leave.
Mistake and make the second one.
On me, I beg long.
Daddy, please, I'm begging him.
Ngwa. Praise God. He said, 2 of you are still living together.
Yes, sir.
Where?
At a cotton.
1, 2 of you will not like my judgment. Because my judgment is that 2 of you don't supposed to be living together. Because 2 of you have not married. Madam, this guy will have 2 weeks from now, a month, to be outside you, outside that house. Let him think about his life and pray. You will be on your own with your 4 kids. Think about your life. After 1 month, I will call 2 of you back to know if 2 of you will continue or not. Let there be separation for now. For 1 month. Are you hearing me? This 1 month is for him to stay on his own, to think about his life. You are 1 month. Why 2 of you need to separate for 1 month or 2 months is for him to know if he will come to pay your bride price. Because two of you don't supposed to live together. As it is now, you can poison him, he can poison you. From the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. Anybody can do that. Devil can enter into somebody. So now, which business do you do?
For now, I'm not doing anything.
What would you like to do?
Anything I see, I will do.
Anything like what?
Anything.
Like what?
Anything I see.
You don't want to talk to me?
If I see business, I will do, sir. If I see business, I will do.
Give the boy a mic. Okay, what are you doing now?
Daddy, for now, I'm not doing anything because I don't have work again. He pursue me for the work. So
how can two of you be at home with 4 children without this one working, without this one working? What will you people use to eat? Madam, 2 of you have to be separate places from now until I meet 2 of you in 1 month or 2 months. That 2 months will be decision. The boy must think very well whether he wants to continue. I will advise him personally and I will advise you. That 2 months is okay for him to check and you check. If he's coming back to you, at least you might have corrected your mistake. If he's coming back to him, he will correct his mistake. And also, it is justifiable that if he has never paid a dime on your head, 2 of you staying together is not proper. Am I making myself clear now?
Daddy, can I say something? Daddy, ndị Igbo tu ilu sị na onye issue ma ebe ọ na-afụ ya ụfụ.
Mechie ọnụ gị na ndị Igbo tụrụ ilu. Ịtụkwara ilu a n'ukwu ya? Ịtụkwara ilu a mgbe ị nọ n'elu ya? Ọ sị ndị Igbo tụrụ ilu.
Daddy, I've made up my mind though.
Do you mean what I said? If 2 of you have to separate for now, you have to look for where you will stay. But in as much as you look for where you will stay for now, you must be helping them. They are your children. Even the one another man have for him, they call you daddy. The one you have for, the one you born is a woman, Abi. But stay away from this woman for now. And you know, we are not, stay apart until I see 2 of you 1 more time. Bring 400,000 and give them. This is 400,000. Go and listen. This 400,000, if it's a pure water, be selling it. Even if you don't want to marry this girl, it is your responsibility to take care of her because she is your daughter.
Yes, Daddy, for that one, I said that I will be taking care of my baby.
Wait, auntie, take this 400,000. Go and if it's a pure water, pepper, be selling. Whatever you put, you will prosper. Listen, Oga, carry your bag and leave this house. Kissing a recolon, kissing at the one.
Daddy, are you saying I should leave my house? Or she have a family?
Daddy, my mommy is staying with my uncle. My mommy is staying with my uncle. And my mommy is on stroke. Wait, let me talk.
Wait.
My father is staying in Port Harcourt and he don't have a house where he's
staying. Wait, Oga, where are you staying?
Me, Ade, Port Harcourt.
There is no how your daughter is supposed to stay with you.
Yes, because the money issue. Because the money issue.
Money issue?
Yeah, money issue.
Let her stay with you. I will be supporting you people.
Yes.
There is no how your daughter will stay with a man that have not married. Oga, how many rooms are you living there in a country? One room. Because of these children in America, you're supposed to leave the house for them. But that is not our culture here.
Yes, I want to children.
How much are they paying for that room?
I want to children. I want to children go.
The
children. the children. Say children they suffer. I want carry the children go Port Harcourt. As a planner, because they asked me a day, how did they small? I they found money, had money journal. Can children make it go to me for Port Harcourt?
Can the children live with you in Port Harcourt?
Yes.
So why are you not? Why can't you go with your father?
No.
Until your husband?
Because people tell me say the children made a problem you have. Every say,
the man.
It's very well. It's a children. Never the problem.
Wait. What is he saying?
He's saying that my husband said that it's his children that is the problem. The children that is giving him that he's not saving. That I want the children to go. So my daddy is saying that he's living in a small place in Port Harcourt and he's squatting with somebody. That if he can the children go.
Ebe no one room abi.
Yes, sir.
Ekoto?
Yes, sir.
1 room. That 1 room, how much is it?
I'm paying about 200.
Leave that house, carry your bag, come out. Go and look for 1 room again. I will help you small. Leave it for her. Don't go there again. Carry your bag to come out. Let something that cover your eyes be uncovered.
Yes, sir.
Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Are you not here, Neku?
Yes, sir.
If you go now, carry your bag, leave that place for her. That house is not up to 500,000 naira. How much rent do you pay in a year?
I pay 150 in a year.
150,000.
Yes,
Okay, leave the room for them. Let them stay. Then after 1 month, you will know your stand. If you want to marry her, we know. If you don't want to marry her, but let 2 of you not be staying together from this night. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Madam, are you hearing what I'm saying? I know what you want is house. Now I have given you. Okay? You saw that you can bring another man that will come and pregnant you the 4th one. Nah, they able to tap bang happy.
Thanks, sir.
You don't know the meaning of that. Somebody have everything, lost it because of a girl, and I'm telling him now to leave the house. It doesn't matter. I will help him to pay for another house. Why is because let these children have a place to put their heads. The mistake is you that caused it. You don't supposed to go and carry big load in the name of love. I know the love like that. Oh, ha. It's okay. If you carry your bag, come to Zion here. Are you hearing me? We'll go and look for another place you can stay. If you get a house, I will help you. Then, when you are alone, you can be able to think straight. Sometimes women who can make people not to think straight. You are carrying. Do you know why some couples married and said, let children hold on? Because when children begin to come, you cannot be able to think straight. Now, this is the beginning of your youth age. You carry 3 responsibilities inside it. How can you concentrate? If you sleep in school today, you enter Uber tomorrow. From Uber, look at how your life. So, carry your bag, leave the house, allow them to be there. Think straight, carry your bag to this place. Go and look for another place you can stay. A small place, a managing place, I will support you to pay. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Then after 1 month or 2 months, I will call you people together. If you want to marry, we will support. If you don't want to marry, you take care of your children.
Thank you, sir.
If you like it, wave your hand to Jesus Christ. Reverend Isaac will be a preaching academy. Oh, one day we'll go. Amen and amen. I will not tell 2 of you to hug.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Don't worry. Let's just finish settling your father and mother. When we finish settling, now we will not look. The man that pregnant you for these children, where are they? Where is he?
He's in Lagos.
We must go and pick him to come and take care of his responsibility. Another, anywhere he is, he must come and be paying for them. I will take it up. I will go and pick him and arrest him. It's okay. So,
I want to talk what the man did to me.
What the man did
to me? Because this first speaking born. The man never see me.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let me take over the children.
It's okay. We will handle it. Take it. 400 I'm giving all of you. Now, Christian, when this boy bring his bag today, welcome him. Come here, quarry you go 2 months na Seraphic Lodge. Go and get your bag. I will pay for 2 months in Seraphic Lodge. Stay there and be looking for what you will do. God, you are money. You will make it. In Israel Pampas, Chile boxers, it happened. Give me olive oil. Go and bring your bag out. Woman, stay in that one room. Take care of your children. If you like, open leg for another man. May the Lord bless you, protect you in Jesus' name. You can give Christian your money to hold for you. God bless all of you. When I settle your father and mother, then I will come for 3 of you. Here? God bless you. Jam your hands for the Jesus.